Hi there, I'm Jesse To, with 26 years of experience in finance, including 13 years in managerial position. I've had the opportunity to develop and refine my skill in data analytics. Over the past 6 years, I've focused on creating impactful dashboards that serve everyone from staff level to C-level executive using Power BI. I've had the privilege of working with varieties of companies, which you can see listed below. Each of these experiences has shaped my approach to data visualization and business intelligence. So, what sets me apart? It's my unique blend of finance expertise, business intelligence knowledge, and emotional intelligence. I understand the nuance of financial data and the human side of business dynamics. This allows me to eliminate the middleman and connect directly with stakeholders. I know what the business needs and how to deliver it effectively, while also considering the concerns and motivation of the team. It's about building a relationship and ensuring that the solution we develop resonate on both strategic and personal level. Now, let's dive into the capability of Power BI. I'll show you some of the powerful features that can transform your data into actionable insights. Okay, so welcome to our sample dashboard. Now, this might look as a summary dashboard, but just to let you know, this contains the channel group up to the customer level and from product group to an SKU level. So this is a very comprehensive dashboard. So immediately into your upper left side, you will see immediately the KPI where you can see the volume variance, revenue variance, price variance, and the margin variance. For this example, we are seeing month to date, July month. So this is a comparison from July 2024 versus July 2023. So you can switch from month to date and year to date as you wished. So from year to date, comparing this year versus last year, volume is up by 3.34%, revenue variance is up by 5.5%, price variance, which is the average selling price, is up by 2.09%, and margin is up by 3.69%. Now, to switch back, so you after this KPI, you can see the volume chart, revenue, and you can switch from price and margin so that to save space. So we can also develop a lot of buttons here to switch from one KPI to another as you wished. Then in the volume, you can switch from different way of presenting the bar chart, like in the line chart, line without colors, and a waterfall chart. You can also zoom this out so you can see the comparison between actual versus prior year, and we can also include budget and also forecast if there is. So the difference between actual versus prior year is 15 with the 3% unfavorable variance. Then for the revenue, when you hover a certain month, you will be shown with the waterfall chart. This is what you call the tooltip. This is a very powerful tool in Zebra BI, wherein you can have subset of information using the tooltip. So for instance, for May, the gap between actual versus prior year is 3.9K or 14.8%, and the major upside is because of the personal care category. Immediately you will see that information using the tooltips, and we can do whatever category that we want to show in the tooltip. Then for the margin, you can switch it to price or margin information just to save the space. Then this table is the most powerful tool in Power BI, wherein you have the power to switch into different dimensions. So for this instance, you are using product category, but if you want to go first with the product group, so you can do that. Or if you want to go by supplier name and then by product group, so you can have that power into your hands. So if you want to have a subcategory, so you can switch it and drill it down into a subcategory and then understand the customer name, Mr. Samshu. And then you can switch from a revenue perspective, volume perspective, which is the volume is down by 37 units. You can go to ASP. So the average selling price has declined by 0.4 dirhams, which is a 1.1% decline. Then you can switch to margin. Then you can also switch from month to date to year to date. You can even select by month, a specific month, which is a month to date. Let's say if you want to just select the June and also switch again to year to date. But the good thing is, this is not all. You can develop more dashboards within this. So you can create the composition tree where you can fully understand what causing the gap, let's say for revenue, for the year-to-date July, let's say. So the gap between year-to-date July comparing this year to last year is 7,522. So major upside is because of personal care. So now we want to understand what causes this upside. It's because of C-zone category. Then from the C-zone, you will able to see what's next because of Mr. Hamid as a customer name. Then employee name who sold to Mr. Hamid is Henry, and product category that was bought is beauty tools. So from this, you will be able to understand the major upside on the revenue.
I believe that effective data visualization isn't just about pretty charts. It's about providing the clarity and insights that drive decision making. With my background in finance, my expertise in Power BI, and my focus on emotional intelligence, I'm committed to deliver solutions that truly resonates with business needs.